Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got this dead easy tutorial on how I created this look. I mean, I'm going to save you some money. I won't babble too long for now, but if you like this look, feel free to give me a thumbs up and subscribe below. But yeah, stay tuned. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so first off, as you can see, I've literally just got my sectioned it out, combed it out, and now it's just time to just prep the actual hair. So as you can see quite a lot of the white hair in comparison to the brown hair. So I'm kind of using like a 25 to 75 ratio when it comes to the hair. And so you just see me here just splitting it out, and I can't stress this enough. It is so important that you taper the hair. Otherwise the ends will be blunt and then you won't be able to finish them, and then it just looks fake and then it's just an ugly mess, like literally. So just make sure you taper it and yeah, you should be good. Okay, so now's the fun part. So we're going to go back to that section that we've just combed out. We're going to split into two right now. We're going to place that tapered hair in between, and then we're literally going to start using the rubber band and tightening it up. So you can use some Eco Styler gel or a brush at this stage if you feel like it's gotten messy. But yeah, for me, it's just worked out fine this way. And then we're going to start doing the twist. Just a quick FYI guys, it will take quite a few ties for it to get a bit, it's quite a lot of rubber band to the amount of hair that you're putting in there. So about 7 to 10 ties. You don't want this too tight and you should be good, guys. So what we're going to do just before we start twisting is just grabbing your natural hair and just fastening it down just to make sure that the top bit is nice and secure. Then we're going to grab some Eco Styler gel, and this is the fun part. We're going to start twisting in opposite directions. And as the video goes along, you're going to see that as soon as it gets to the halfway mark there, I like to let it go. You don't want to twist this too tight, otherwise it's just going to make the shape of the overall twist a bit more bent. So just make sure that you're loosening it up as you're going along, really, and you should be fine. Slightly struggling to get this twist in the frame right now, but finishing it up, and really using the rubber band method really helps you move around the twist properly, from the root in any direction that you want, unlike, braiding it in directly from the root where you get that whole tight feeling. Then you have to wait a few days before it loosens up, and then you can start moving the twist around or the braid around. But yeah, I'm just going to go back in and finish that last twist right now. So let go. So here's the final look, guys. definitely one of my favorite hairstyles to date. I mean, I love putting it in a bun. I think my favorite's definitely doing the half up, half down hairstyle. But add me on Instagram to see some more pictures of this look. And if you like this look, if I've taught you something new, if you see yourself doing this, if you think it's easy, I mean, if you like it in general, just give me a thumbs up. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Mwah.